Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on OUKITEL WP36. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Edge and click search. Now click install and click open. And now you can click skip introduction. And here you can set this browser as a default browser, or you can click not now. Now you can customize your homepage, or you can click not now. And here you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. Now you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And here you can try out Copilot, or you can just click start browsing. And now your Microsoft Edge is installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.